Hello, everyone listening to me at this moment. My name is Adedayo Afemi Daniel. I am known in the digital space as ADFM Solutionist. I am a certified social influencer by John Andriod team, a business growth strategist or consultant, a digital marketer, and the team lead of ADFM Solutionist Consult. So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make use of an application known as G Keyboard, which is alternatively known as Google Keyboard, to enable you type without necessarily using your keyboard. So, let's get started. The first thing you are going to do is to go download the application from your Play Store. Alright, go to Play Store on your phone or on your system and download it. I already have it on my own system, so let's assume you download it on your own system too, or on your phone. Install it and go to your phone settings. Alright, so from your phone settings, locate where you can see language and input. On my own phone, I can actually go to advanced settings and I can see language and input. So just go to where you have your default keyboard. You can see my own default keyboard and make it G Keyboard. And after doing this, just go test run it either on your WhatsApp or on your notepad as if you want to type. All right, so this is the interface. Now you can see where you have the GIF, where you have this setting icon, triple dot, and this microphone icon. All right, so anything you want to type, just hit that microphone icon as I'm clicking on it now. All right, it's because I'm making a video, that's why it's not working. Once you click on it, you see it display listening. Begin to say whatever you want to say and you see it appear on your screen live and direct. All you need to do is to make little adjustment, either word full stop, question mark, comma, among others. This is how to take off the stress of typing from you. I hope this will help you. So in the next video, I'm going to be sharing with you on podcast, how you can actually create a podcast channel, and at the as you proceed, you can actually monetize your channel. So how do you get that done? All you need to do is to make use of an application known as Anchor. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to also do here is to go on Play Store to go and download the application known as Anchor, ANCHO. Alright, this is the Anchor. I already have it on my own phone as well. So all you need to do is to install it on your smartphone, and once you are done installing it, just go and open the application, register on it, and once you are done registering on it, go and launch the application. This is the interface of the application on my own phone. Now let's assume I want to make a new video. I'm going to a new podcast. I'm going to click on this plus icon. As you can see, this place that I have record, I'm going to click on it and begin to say whatever I want to say, just the way it is appearing. As you can see, reading. So you must have a kind of sketch of what you want to teach people. Probably you want to talk to people on how to handle depression, how to come out excellently well. Just look for what you want to share with people that is reasonable and that people can actually pay you for. So once you are done with that, you are going to click on this place where you have stop. You can see now, after clicking on stop, you can see where you have add background music. So here you click there and select any background music of your choice. There are a lot of them. You have to look for the one that is in alignment with what you have actually made available in form of audio content. Now for you to add any background music, all right, you won't click on this play icon on the left hand side. You are going to click on plus. That plus means you want to actually add this. So let's assume I click on the first one and I click on that. It's going to automatically be added, and you can actually import your desired audio from the top part of the interface of the Anchor app. You can see that where you click on add background music, but here I only use some of the background music that they have. So after doing this, I'm going to go to save. All right, from this save, they are going to ask you that you should add to episode. That is, the episode in this context means probably you want to teach on different segment. All right, you can actually give a general episode. Here I can actually make it soft digital skill. Let's just assume I'm teaching on soft digital skill. And what are those thing I'm going to cover that I've covered here? Two things. I'm going to click on hard recording. You can see I've added it to my podcast. So in this video, basically I've actually covered two soft digital skills. Number one is the Google business profile and how it works, which is the G Keyboard, and here also I'm talking about the Anchor application and how it works. So once you are done with this, you are going to proceed. If you have to edit anything, just click on this triple dot in front. All right, so you can edit background song, edit audio, rename segment, and delete this episode. But here you just click on publish. Let's assume you are done with the whole thing. You can see episode title. What do you want to give this episode title? You can say soft digital skill A and B. For example, this is just an example. You can look for the one that works better for you. And here, episode description, give more details about what is in your episode here or in this audio, depending on how you want to do in this audio, for example, or in this podcast. Let's use podcast. I covered how Google keyboard works. Google keyboard works, and how to set up a podcast channel using a smartphone. You can see, but in your own you can still go further. It's just I don't want this video to be too long. All right, so as you can see, when you are done with this place that you have AdFM Solutionist logo, you can click there. You can change the logo to your desired logo. Is that taking? So you can have different logo on your, to put as your logo for your podcast. This one I'm just using it as a test run. All right, so that's just it. So here, after uploading your logo, you can see that it has display. So you can actually come to where you have this season, input anything you like. It can just be 01. All right, this episode can be 01. So depending on what you want to do, then you click on publish now. Now note, if you click on publish now, it's going to bring you down to where you have add episode tag. This episode tag means whenever people search for a particular thing online, probably how to make money online or how to handle depression, depending on the content that you have in your podcast, your podcast also should be part of what is going to display. For example, I've actually made a podcast on how to set up a Google business, how to use G keyboard. I can say how to use Google toolkits. That is, whenever people search for how to use Google toolkits, let my podcast show, because one of the toolkits is that is this same Google business, this same G keyboard. All right, you can see it's going to show, or you can see how to use Anchor. You can just put different one based on what you have actually prepared. Then once you are done, you click on skip. I actually skip it, which means my audio can actually go viral, my podcast. But in this context, I don't want it. I have to delete it so that my audience will not be like, what's this guy doing? So this is how it works basically. So try it out and let me get your feedback. Thank you and God bless you.